In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Udemy search results on desktop. When you start by searching for a topic on Udemy, you'll land on a results page with a filters panel along the left-hand side. This panel is your main tool for shaping what you see, and it's surprisingly powerful. You can refine by level to focus on beginner, intermediate, or more advanced content. You can choose the language that suits you, set a ratings threshold like 4.5 stars and up to surface more highly reviewed courses, and use duration to target short introductions or deeper, longer programs. Under course features, you can also pick options such as subtitles availability to make sure the course matches your accessibility needs. Now, here's an important nuance about Udemy's marketplace search on desktop. Unlike many other sites, you won't find a big, obvious sort by price, sort by newest, or sort by rating drop-down right on the page. Many learners look for that and assume it's missing altogether. Sorting by price, in particular, isn't a standard option in the desktop search view, and that can be confusing if you're used to traditional e-commerce sorting controls. What you can do, and what works well, is use the left-hand filters to narrow results so the list feels more tailored. Think of this as refining rather than sorting. For instance, if you only want recent, high-quality content in a language you're comfortable with, selecting a higher rating, your preferred language, and a suitable duration will quickly cut down the noise and highlight courses aligned with your goals. There is also a small ordering control you can use to change how results are displayed. Look for a drop-down icon near the top of the results area and switch between Most Relevant, Highest Rated, Most Reviewed, and Newest. Most Relevant is typically the default and balances many factors. Highest Rated pushes well-reviewed courses to the front. Most Reviewed surfaces classes with a large volume of feedback, which can signal community confidence. Newest helps you find the latest additions, which is handy in fast-moving fields. Putting this together, the best workflow on desktop is simple. Search for what you want, refine with the filters in the left panel to match your level, language, ratings, duration, and features, and then use the drop-down to reorder results as most relevant, highest rated, most reviewed, or newest. While you won't get a standard price sort, this combination gives you a clear, focused list that meets your needs. That's how to sort and refine Udemy search results effectively on desktop.